Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In our latest video, we are going to dive into the world of small bathroom designs. In this video, we explore creative solutions and smart hacks to make the most out of the limited space. From clever storage solutions to innovative layout designs, we have got you covered with practical tips and inspiring ideas to transform your compact bathroom into a stylish and functional oasis. Whether you are dealing with a tiny apartment bathroom or a snug ensuite, our expert advice will help you to unlock the full potential of your space. Tune in and get ready to rethink small bathroom designs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home design inspiration. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.